So hi friends, welcome back again for another video. This time it's gonna be an unboxing and revisiting once again this fragrance from the company ZARA. It is called ZARA 8. I don't know if you guys can see over here. It comes with I bought it with another fragrance on the same in the same box. The second fragrance is ZARA 9. I'm sure you guys know both fragrances. They are pretty famous when it comes to ZARA fragrances. And I already had ZARA 8, but I thought to revisit again and buy it again because it is definitely worth it, and also because I really didn't find anything interesting at the ZARA store. I found ZARA Vibrant Leather Summer. It is nice, it is okay, but to me it is not like something mind-blowing, and also the performance very weak. I know I already did a review for that one, and some people didn't like it. Some people didn't like my honesty about it. Maybe they wanted me to sugarcoat that fragrance, but well, I heard that people bought it for much cheaper than the price that I found it. I found it for like more than 20 euros or like more than $20, while other people said that they bought it for like $12, $10. And I understand if they bought it cheap, that's good. But to me, it is not a fragrance that can cost $20 or $23. I rather buy a decant of Dior Homme Cologne. And yeah, by the way, Dior Homme Cologne, either you can get a decant of Dior Homme Cologne, or you can get like another clone of that fragrance. There is so many fragrances that smell like that fragrance, that are close, not exactly, but they are close, like Jimmy Choo, Man Ice. I think there is another one from Tommy Hilfiger, or Tommy Hilfiger, I don't know how you pronounce it. There is a few fragrances that are close to Dior Homme Cologne and are much cheaper, and I rather buy those than buy Vibrant Leather Summer. So anyways, let's close that subject about ZARA Vibrant Leather Summer, and let me tell you about the fragrances that I actually found that are pretty interesting. But they were very expensive and more than the budget that I had that day. I'm talking about fragrances from the Jo Malone collaboration with ZARA. So ZARA collaborated, as you know, with the perfumer Jo Malone, and they released like 10 or 8 fragrances. I don't remember the name of that line, ZARA Emotions or something like that. And I tried them once again, and this time I'm so in love with especially 2 fragrances from that line, ZARA Vetiver Pamplemousse and ZARA Water Lily Tea Dress. If you ever go to the ZARA store and you find those 2 fragrances, if they are on sale for a good price, get them. I found them for a little bit expensive. The 60 ml bottle of Vetiver Pamplemousse was like, I think, $30, so it is a little bit too much for me. And I'm actually waiting if there is a sale, if they are going to go on sale in the future. So we will wait and see. And those 2 fragrances, especially those 2 that I mentioned, ZARA Vetiver Pamplemousse and ZARA Water Lily Tea Dress, they are unisex, and as I said, those 2, I love them so much. I loved them so much, and the performance was really much better than ZARA Vibrant Leather Summer. I sprayed ZARA Vibrant Leather Summer over here, and Vetiver Pamplemousse on the other hand, and also the other fragrance, Water Lily Tea Dress, on my forearm. And really, both fragrances, they have like a niche quality to them. Nothing to do with ZARA Vibrant Leather Summer, which smells a little bit synthetic, a little bit you know, like cheap, if I can say that. I know it's gonna hurt some people's feelings, but this is all about honesty. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. So I guess yes, we should get to the unboxing. I've been talking too much. So as I said, this is the double pack that these 2 fragrances comes in, ZARA 8 and ZARA 9. Very nice. I like the box. It's better than the box for the ZARA Night collection with ZARA Man Gold and ZARA Man Silver. This is really nice, as you can see over here, both fragrances. And I think we have over here the notes for ZARA 8. As you can see, it says white mint, yes, white mint, melon, violet, muguet, watery notes, musk, cedarwood, and amber. While on ZARA 9 it says bergamot, juniper, coriander, pepper, cardamom, orris, vetiver, amber, and cedarwood. And they are both, as you can see, both 100 ml bottles. So let's get to our unboxing. Open this up. I've been talking too much and I really need to have a little bit of that yummy drink that's over there before I get some kind of dehydration over here. Okay, so as you can see, very nice box. I like it. And you have over here the champs ZARA 8, and over here we have ZARA 9. Pretty beautiful looking colors. I like this this line with the ZARAs with ZARA 5, ZARA 6, ZARA 7, ZARA 10. I like the shape of the bottle and the colors. They are pretty nice. So let's start with the ZARA 8. I'm gonna spray a little bit. So if you guys want to see, once again, over here the sprayer, and over here the batch code. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Very nice sprayer. Very nice. I like the opening of ZARA 8, and it gives you the impression that it is a clone to Lacoste Blanc. I mean, so much resemblance. Very nice fragrance. This is refreshing. I highly recommend this fragrance for the summer. You can wear it during the day, during the night. This is, as I said before, a vacation in a bottle for a cheap price, affordable. This is like less than 10 euros. It's pretty affordable, pretty cheap. I'm gonna spray ZARA 9 just for the camera. I already know about this fragrance. I never thought like having ZARA 9 because because to me it cannot match Valentino Uomo or even Dior Homme, but it is okay. Also lovely opening, but to be honest with you, I prefer the opening of ZARA 8. Yeah, there is some, yes, definitely. It smells, to me, it smells more smells like Valentino Uomo more than Dior Homme. Lovely fragrances, beautiful addition to my collection, and I will try to do a review for ZARA 9 because I never did one on this channel. And I will also do like a battle comparison between ZARA 8 and Lacoste. Sorry, I was going to say Adidas, but Lacoste Blanc. I will try to do like a new sort of video, not like the usual battles like from before, like ZARA Seawood versus Invictus. This is gonna be, I'm gonna try to make it a little bit more interesting. So guys, I think I need to have a little bit of this yummy drink. Very lovely, very minty. It's all about mintiness over here. And yeah, the smell in here pretty close to what I'm smelling from this drink. Guys, really thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and definitely stay tuned for the next videos. I will try to do a review for ZARA Vetiver Pamplemousse, which I really love. It is a fragrance that I highly recommend. I will try to get it and do an unboxing and full review of that fragrance very soon. So stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.